Hey guys, today we are going to go over how to install your drum base for either your panel Christmas tree or your branch Christmas tree. We're going to start out by lining up all of our drum base panels around your Christmas tree. You're going to want to face them all the same direction. And the way you're going to know this is one side of your drum base panel is flush. And then if we walk over to the other side, you will see that there is a lip that sticks out. And this is used for when we butt up our panel sections together. This will cover up that seam. As you see here, we have two of our drum base sections butted up together. And we have a hose clamp attached on the top and the bottom. You're going to want to do two hose clamps at the top, two hose clamps at the bottom. And there's a little bit of room there for you to slide that hose clamp behind. And there Zach is going to get that hose clamp started and go ahead and cinch that hose clamp down, get it as tight as possible. And once you have hose clamp two sections together, you should have something that looks like this. All right. Once you do this all the way around your panel tree and you have every section of your drum base hose clamped together, you can start working on your decorative pieces, your caps, and your poles. As you see here, we have two different types of caps. The one I'm holding here is the bottom cap. You'll see that because it has the two pieces of flat bar inside of it, and then the top cap has no insert. All right, here you have your bottom cap, and we've slid it through the hole that is already in your drum base and bolted it down. You can go ahead and repeat that step for all of your caps. And then to slide your pole into the caps, you're going to want to push up on the top cap, and then you're just going to drop that pole right there on the bottom cap, and that is why you have the flat bar pieces there to hold your pipe up. And then you'll see that we have bolt holes all the way around your drum base, and you will just repeat this step throughout.